Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas episode 24. So when you guys are seeing this, it will be Christmas Eve. Right now it's actually the eve of Christmas Eve, so it's only the 23rd, but happy Christmas Eve. Very exciting. This month has gone by so fast and I can't believe it's almost January in 2021 already this year. I'm sure you have been hearing it everywhere, but yeah, it's been a wild year. Anyway, if you celebrate Christmas, let me know if you have any Christmas Eve traditions, because usually for us we do stockings on Christmas Eve, although this year we actually don't even have stockings, which is hilarious. But yeah, usually we would do stockings on Christmas Eve. Christmas is obviously going to be a little bit different this year. My mom came over last night. She's actually staying with us. I think I mentioned to you guys through the holidays, and obviously with lockdown happening through the lockdown, but it's gonna be nice to have her around because she's gonna just help us out a little bit as I transition back to work, especially with Chloe. Like I said, today is the eve of Christmas Eve, so it's the 23rd. Nothing's really happening today. The beau's actually going to the office today, and then he's going to come back home, and then he's working tomorrow, but then off for the long weekend, I guess. And yeah, we're having dinner with his family, not his family really per se, but his parents on the 24th, and we're gonna do gifts with them on that day, and then we're gonna do Christmas dinner with my parents, so my mom and then my dad's gonna come over, and that's our plans. And then we're just gonna kind of hunker down for the remainder of December and throughout the lockdown. We'll all be returning to work the first week of January, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, gonna be a pretty quiet, uneventful couple of weeks. Anyway, today the plan is to go through my closet because first of all, it's incredibly messy. There's like a little peek, and second of all, I have to go through my big bin of clothes and all the clothes in here to pare it down. I just want to get rid of a bunch of stuff that I'm not wearing or that doesn't fit me well. If it's like a really nice piece, I might keep it, because like right now I'm probably still about 10 pounds heavier than my pre-pregnancy weight, and like I said, I think I might have mentioned it, but my pants fit, but like my upper body, like my shirts don't really fit that well. I'm also hanging on to a bit of a muffin top right now, so there's that. But yeah, I just want to get some well-fitting clothes because I'm gonna have to wear real clothes in a week and a half. So, Karun!
Hello, can I do a haul?
Yes, I'm looking.
Do you know how much?
I am looking forward to it.
Bananas, they're not organic, but they're perfect ripeness.
Organic bananas.
Papaya, hopefully it's good.
Papaya.
You want to see too?
You want to see the haul, Chloe?
Pears.
Yay!
Yum! Did you get everything on the list?
Everything. Pasta.
Pasta.
Quinoa for Chloe's.
Yay! You like that?
For
Congee.
Chloe's congee, it's organic.
Windex. Well, that's not
Salsa.
technically Windex.
Organic, natural yogurt.
Chloe loves yogurt.
Fruit.
Clean and clear for my scalp.
Yum.
Organic baby cereal, buckwheat.
Yum.
Oh, that's yours.
Tortillas.
That's not
Tortillas.
yours.
Diet Coke.
Oh, there you go. Say thank you.
Ginger ale.
Yay!
Yay!
Filter, because
Oh, Brita filter.
Yay! That's for
Millet.
your water.
for her congee.
Oh.
Yay!
Millet. What is millet?
Prunes.
Yum.
And spring rolls.
Yum. Ooh, crispy chicken.
Chia seeds for congee.
Oh my gosh.
It's so healthy.
Mushrooms and lettuce.
Mushrooms and lettuce. What's this? Espresso decaf.
Clap, clap.
Can you clap?
Clap. Oh,
Yay!
Clap, clap.
Good job, Chloe. Yay!
Oh my God, she's not.
Okay, this is my current closet situation. TMI, but I use these postpartum, and the bow got a whole box from Costco. It's disposable underwear, incontinence underwear, I guess. So yeah, there are 4 big packs of these, and I think I used up a pack and a half postpartum, and now I just have like a whole bunch of extras that just loiter in my closet. The goal is to completely tidy this up, take everything out that I don't wear, maybe seasonal things that don't need to be in here, and yeah, create like a capsule wardrobe of some sort. Okay, this is my bin of seasonal work clothes. Oh, I have a bunch of socks in here. Okay, I'm gonna have to go through all this stuff. As you can see behind me, I have emptied most of my closet out. I'm gonna try a bunch of stuff on. I still have that tote right here. I still have a bunch of stuff in the drawers that I have in my closet, but for the most part, those probably should be okay. Most of them are just sweaters. Currently eating Lay's ketchup chips, which is just a Canadian thing. Ketchup flavored chips. I normally am not a ketchup chip eater, but this was supposed to go in a little treat bin for delivery drivers, but I damaged the bag, so it got opened and I didn't want to waste it, and I don't want to put a half open bag of chips outside, so I'm just doing the environmental thing and eating it. Let me know, what is the weirdest flavor of chips you've ever tasted? I wouldn't even say this is weird, it's just a Canadian thing though. Okay, this is what we have going on in the closet right now. I have this like Billy bookcase shelf system in the corner. I still need to reorganize. I want to buy something from IKEA to just like change up this half of my closet, but I have a bunch of long pieces that don't quite fit over there comfortably, obviously, and then here I have some more hanging space, and then drawers. Would we call these drawers? They're more like baskets, but they pull out like drawers. I'm currently taking a little break. I'm finishing the rest of my ketchup chips. And so far I've gotten through the pile of clothes that I had hanging. And most of the ones that I had in the drawers, I still have to go through the bin. And right now I'm just going through fit. And then once I have tried everything on, I will do some decluttering. The stuff behind me here is some seasonal pieces that I'm not going to be wearing until probably like the spring, summer. I have a bunch of hangers here that I have to go through. A pile of pants that currently are too snug. There are actually a bunch of Uniqlo pants because those are the ones that don't have a zipper, and they're the ones with the elastic on the back. And what I've learned is that those don't fit me right now. All of my pre-pregnancy pants that had zippers, most of them are from RW & Co. Fit fine. Some pants fit better than others. The ones that I got from H&M actually probably fit the best, and they're also a little bit more high-waisted, so they fit really nice, and yeah, they work great to tuck things into also. Some of my other pants are probably not shirt tucking in pants. But while I contemplate my progress, I'm going to eat some chips. I'm still going through my closet and I'm pulling everything out, but as I'm doing it, I'm just trying things on. This is actually a top from H&M. These pants are also from H&M, and yeah, they fit. These are actually a 6. I bought them a few months ago actually, and they are a size bigger than I normally take. I normally would take a 4 in H&M, but these are a 6 and they fit perfectly. Can you guys hear Chloe? She's banging on the wall. It's almost the end of her nap time. But I also like this top. It has cute like gold detailing on the cuffs and also the neck. It's a little bit cumbersome to put on and off because you have to undo all of these buttons to get your hand through the cuff, and also the one on the neck so that you can actually put your head through the neck hole. But it is cute. It's see-through a little bit, so you have to wear an undershirt underneath. But yeah, very, very cute. I haven't worn anything this professional in a long time. I still like this peplum top. It definitely needs an undershirt underneath because it gapes quite a bit at the front. There's actually a specific term to call this like crossover wrap that's not quite a wrap because it's actually stitched here. But yeah, I still like this top. I think this is from the Bay and I like the colors. Okay, I'm trying on my skirts right now. This one is from RW&Co. It's a little snug here, but still fits relatively. Okay, we just had dinner. The Beau's dad actually made some sushi, and his sister dropped it off, and it was really good. What else? The Beau went to work for half the day today, and he brought back some goodies, so I actually spent some time unboxing all of those with his permission, of course. It's right there. But I'm almost done organizing my closet behind me, so I have like a huge stack of hangers here. I'm in the process of doing a bunch of laundry too because I did pull some things out of my little storage bin and it just kind of smells stale and mothy in there, so I have done a couple loads of laundry already. I've started kind of putting some clothes on my little rack here. I'm trying to curate a capsule wardrobe for work. Unsuccessful so far, but I will show you my closet because it's definitely looking a little tidier. Okay, I definitely didn't do a great job decluttering this bin, and it's probably just because I do still like a lot of pieces in here. It's just that they don't quite fit right now. So once I get down to like my pre-pregnancy weight, I'll revisit this and then do my declutter. Here's my tip for you guys is when you think you don't have enough hangers, don't buy more hangers, just declutter some clothes, because once you do pare down your wardrobe, you just end up with like an abundance of hangers. I'm actually going to switch out the hangers on all of the Beau's dress shirts because they are a little bit older. Some of them are like pretty worn out. So yeah, we have a bunch of extras. We'll just move these ones probably to the basement because I use these hangers to hang dry some pieces that like I've just washed. So it's not like they'll go to total waste, but yeah, I have a bunch of extra hangers that I don't know what to do with. So I did clear off the bed. I just have like a couple of things I have to bring to the basement, and my closet is looking pretty good. This is how it looks. I'll show you guys around a little bit. So on this side is where I keep some dresses and some long sweaters and some like chunkier sweaters that just should be hung up, and a couple little overcoats and things like that. There's probably some things I could probably put away, like this dress I won't be wearing till the summer, but I like it. It's pretty to look at, so I'm just gonna keep it out. Down here I have skirts and pants, although most of my pants are currently drying right now because I just did some laundry. Over here, you guys saw I have drawers here, so I have like short sleeve knit sweaters here along with some camisoles. In this one I have some long sleeve sweaters, so I have like some merino wool sweaters here. These are like cotton cashmere sweaters. Here we have more chunkier sweaters and also some cashmere. Then down here is the workout gear, which I really should go through a little bit more because some of these I probably haven't worn in a while, but everything's just here, neatly organized. I don't keep anything on the shelf except for like a couple of belts, and this is the O-Veil from Okator, which I love. And then I just have some miscellaneous sweaters over there, jeans. I have 3 pairs of jeans that are currently in the wash, which I'm hoping will just stack on top. T-shirts, some sweatpants, Glossier sweaters, other miscellaneous sweaters, more like thin, light knit sweaters. And then in these 2, I just have some socks. So these are just like little footies, and these are workout socks. And then down here are more of like my thicker socks. These are from IKEA, in case you're wondering. Like I said, I'm still doing a bit of laundry, so the closet really won't be finished till probably tomorrow. Once everything's dried and I can put everything back in, maybe I'll give you guys an update tomorrow. And I did also place an order for a couple of pieces that I feel like I was just missing in my work wardrobe. So that is it. Not much really has happened in today's vlog, huh? So for me, it's the eve of Christmas Eve, but for you guys it will be Christmas Eve. So yeah, happy Christmas Eve, and let's open our advent calendar. Okay, day 24. Please don't feed to the reindeer. There's only one more day of Vlogmas, if you can believe that. I actually did pretty good this year. Some of my videos were late, but I didn't miss any days this year, which is surprising. I will still vlog a bit for the remainder of December, definitely not daily though. I do have a few other videos lined up, like my 2020 favorites videos and some Glossier reviews, so we'll be doing a little bit more sit down videos rather than vlogs. But you guys will still see me if you are not sick of me already after today, 24 straight videos. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas Eve if you are celebrating Christmas. I know Christmas is going to look very different this year, but I hope you guys are going to make the most out of it and enjoy it as much as you can, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.